Alright, hey guys, Luigi Aiden here, and I am here with...
Hi boys and girls, this is Boy Lamb.
I'm your boy, Tyler Games.
Yes, everybody, it's Tyler Games. Oh yeah, everybody, please go play this game that you probably see on my Scratch profile. Five Nights at Smash Bros. Remastered. Go play it.
Obvious advertisement.
Just go play it, guys. But anyways, guys, guess what? We are going to be doing a rebooted version of Five Nights at Smash Bros. And so far I got some of the backdrops to work right now. Woohoo! I must say. Oh, lol.
Yay.
Oh, yeah, so I added that loading thing just in case, yeah. And I'm also going to get the menu music right now.
Oh, wait, why is it on here?
Wait, where is it? Where is it?
There's probably somewhere where you don't expect.
Maybe you should have, kept your sound effects or, I don't know, voices.
It's like a theme, it's like the...
I've been starting to, what is it? Oh, now I know what it is. I've been starting to make separate files for certain things. For example, you need to, let's say, for example...
There it is. Found the music.
Yeah, now I know what it is. For example, imagine if you need to keep a collection of certain things, like, let's say, you have a collection of certain characters. Keep them in one file, and then it can be easier for you to get certain things, like making a whole game and you need to transport files easily. Put it in its own folder, then it's all together.
I mean, yeah. Alright, this is just loading right now.
Tools have been made to save lives.
It will save your file.
Alright, it's loading right now. Also, everybody, Tyler Games is making the game Five Nights at Devon 224's Tunes.
Oh yeah, I'm coding it.
Oh yeah, so anyways, the game's not going to be on Scratch, it's going to be on Game Jolt. Explain the reasons, Tyler.
Yeah, Scratch can be, let's say, I don't know how to put it without swearing.
Anyways,
I told one of my friends that.
But it's basically about, it has to do with, Scratch being a big pain with how much file size you can do. Which there's this file size which can be annoying.
yeah.
I've reached it a couple of times.
Alright, so... Wait, it's gonna show the... I'm gonna put when I receive menu. But, and when it's gonna have the green flag, it's gonna have the warning. And this is what I'm doing. Receive. Night.
You wait for that moment where the one laughs because you said something funny.
Night start. Like starting. Start. This, yeah, so. Yeah, so this is. Yeah, so the start. Yeah, this. Tyler, you see the coding?
Yes.
And make a variable and this. Yeah. And anyways. Backdrop 2. And you're gonna see where I'm gonna do the newspaper though.
The newspaper to Mario. Or Super Smash Bros. Whatever. My voice is killing me today.
Oh, poor.
Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Vedi cavoliato. Here we go.
That was actually pretty hilarious, I must say.
Here we go. Get that shoot from the boot.
A boot. From the boot. From the boot.
I'm taking my raw meat. And now it will be shoved down your mouth.
Oh yeah, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, so look, let me try a test. Alright, set night to 1, and look, has that, and wait 4 seconds, and look, it's gonna have that loading thing. Yeah, so, anyways. And broadcast begin. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. You guys can, let's see. Oh, the Luigi party hard! Yeah!
Oh, crap.
Okay,
What?
I don't want anyone to find my
oh yeah,
Discord.
haters,
Some fans of
if you add us on Discord, if you are a hater, Boybland knows.
Yes, don't point out everything. You don't have
Like Gecko Gaming, you better screw off.
Now, if you're a hater, dude, why would you even go to just follow people? Just try to get these people to, for any reason, you get the
Yeah.
point.
Alright, so,
You have to
warning.
Carmex had Discord. What would you guys say?
Don't copyright me, Josh Peck.
Why do you say don't copyright me? Why would he even watch this video?
I was doing a joke.
Right? No, like their meme where he's like, what? Where's the dog?
This game
It's right there. You know,
contains.
see, I drew with magic marker. You're supposed to cut it out with a power saw. Dude, I'm gonna.
Flashing
Oh, really?
lights.
Yes. So go get the power saw. Okay, I will. I see the problem. Oh, do ya?
That was noises
Hey, you
and
have a magic marker.
lots.
You were supposed to cut it out with the power saw. Dude, I'm gonna.
Jump
Oh, yeah.
stairs. Yeah, so
Drake Bell has changed so much.
I know, and Josh Peck lost weight, which is good. Congrats to him.
Yeah, Drake Bell has became from that to this muscular guy.
Yeah.
He reviews a lot, so shows off a lot of his Gucci gang stuff, his Gucci merch. Well, not, you know what I mean, the Gucci clothing he gets, which you really don't need to go as far as that. But still, yeah, he does all that. I know him very well. He does this stuff. It probably just has to do with him.
Alright. Alright, so.
And why are you...
What?
Why? You just said, you know you can just use the repeat tool. Saves you time.
I mean, just give me. Yeah, I'm just. Yeah, hold on.
My schoolhouse.
Shut up, Baldy.
Welcome to me schoolhouse.
Oh.
Free.
Let me
Well, you still can.
get that while you still can. Let me have a test.
What the kill? Why does he say kill?
Still. Oh.
0.2.
Why is it 0.5? Talking about why is just 0 points a number? You should probably add 0.0 a number. That can make it fast.
Let me test out 0.2.
Luigi, what the heck is going on? Oh.
0.0, you said?
Mickey Mouse is disappointed.
0.0.
Yeah, that's
Let me just test it.
Pineapple pens with specialized achievement.
Let me try. Let's see. That was better! Wait, look, Tyler. It's better.
I'm just watching my animations on Scratch.
Okay.
Mouse pointers from now. So you're just doing your coding over Val.
Yeah.
Okay. It's like face reveal, doing scratch, you know, that stuff. Like you're doing face reveal, after you get like a lot of subbies, you put the camera right somewhere, and then you record it, and then you say, hello guys, I'm whoever I am, and my real face.
Well, alright, so it's gonna be like, warning. Yeah.
Warning, this game contains flashlights and letters on.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna have the vector model of Mario.
Of Mario dabbing.
Hold on. Yeah, there's also Luigi I did. Yeah.
New coding. It looks like a boy.
There's Mario.
Press space. What'll happen if I press space? Oh, hello there. Weird thing to show. It's still working on it. Press space. Okay. Oh, hello there.
We'll do that again.
But you can't see. Wait, you can't see my screen anymore. Okay. Press space. Okay. Oh, hello there.
Oh, hello.
Alright.
You've been expecting. What the? Why does the ear not have an outline?
Oh, it's fine.
I think it's Toretto. Fight me, boy lamb. Why do I have to fight someone that is angry at me? Hey. Let's see that project that the guy that sent it.
Oh. Yeah, so I was gonna say when green flag clicked it would hide. There's the menu. Would show.
I just thought about it, but can we just think about how much your channel changed, Boy Blam?
Wait, look.
I mean, what was your channel when it first started?
Alright, anyways, guys.
Back in,
I hope you guys liked the making of the game. See you in the next
YouTube
video.
channel.